Did I tell you I was looking somewhere to lodge, woman? You look like Miss Alice wants somebody to put her back in a wonderland.
I'll have to go abroad to do an operation. I'm going to be leaving my nephew in charge.
Alice, you're going to bring a new person to take over, man?
It's my brother's outside child. I'm going to be leaving Shebada in charge.
She's the boy deserve it. At least she'll leave when her family in charge.
Shebada.
And I'm escapable, not because him stammer.
Shebada, you're in charge.
You.
Alice, me and your family?
You are my brother's son.
God have mercy.
My son. I'm a businessman. I need 50 pounds of the refined cornmeal and flour. And if you have any soap, send me some. I don't know, but just send me.
My name Nkrumah. Nkrumah Les Forest.
Little mouse, you know, born, you know. Your mama wicked.
Look, Shebada, you is one person who don't trust nobody, you know, man.
It is you who I don't trust, Delbert. You. And if anybody inside here is afraid to call you out, I am calling you out. God don't like ugly, and Delbert, you're ugly. She just dashed me in the middle of the sea for shark me and me. So, Delbert never allow him at the shark. I can't play hypocrite like you, you know. You understand me? Because you have your landlord where you hide from. And fear man, they have jail. You understand me? You are handicapped.
Listen.
What's your name?
Bobby.
So, Booby alone will pay your birth paper, yeah? Your mother never did, I think.
Yeah, $10,000. So Trevor pay you.
Don't worry yourself. I have it all figured out.
When you start manage business in my business, it automatically become my business.
You move yourself with a punk, yeah?
Punk like you if you're a Cisco.
If you can prove to me say you care, I will certainly be there.
What can I do for you, dear?
My phone not working.
When you hear about Booby, what you think about after? Booby trap.
We must sit down and look like a thief in the eyes of Shebada. Just cool, you call it? Eh? Me not pay for none out of my pay for you.
I want to meet everybody in the warehouse right now. Everybody.
Me too, sir?
You look at your wig and squeeze you. I said everybody in 5 minutes.
I will walking on Glory Avenue.
Hey.
Gloria.
So who you find on Glory Avenue?
Jesus.
Who?
Jesus Mass.
Mr. Delbert, the days of slavery long gone. And guess what? Is Shebada in charge?